Hey, Patricia.
Yes.
Hey, how are you doing? Hey, I'm Officer Ashraf. I'm insurance. You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I was following my navigation. I must have turned. It said make a U-turn, so.
Oh, okay. Were you able to find your insurance from my partner?
Well, it's hard for me to see. I'm from
Here,
California.
no
so
worries.
I
I'll give you a
don't
light to
know.
help you out.
So is this because
That's the registration. We're looking for the vehicle insurance.
therapy.
A Florida woman stopped for an unlawful U-turn. 2 charges filed, 1 dismissed, 1 conviction. The legal distinction between them defines this case.
Insurance, my partner?
I have it in my phone.
In your phone?
Yes, I do. I have it in my phone.
Which
It's AAA.
AAA?
Yes.
Do you have like a mobile app or anything like
Well,
that?
that's what I know I put everything in my notes, so I just don't know what it's under. So I put in AAA.
I got you.
Oh, here's AAA card.
Perfect. Let me see it.
Wait, hold on, wait. Oh, here it is. Insurance documents.
Can you zoom in on it so it shows like your policy number and which vehicle it's assigned to and everything?
I just don't know what it looks like here. Everything's different going, so.
No worries.
Total sold auto insurance. There's a number. Patricia Desmond Carnett. There's my premium.
Yeah, no, but it doesn't show the policy or anything like that.
Let me look again. Let me just go back. I don't know where it's.
Okay.
AAA Florida, 8/16/23.
So, Patricia, where are we coming from tonight?
My sister-in-law's.
Okay.
Is this it? Oh, sorry.
Does she live in the area?
Yes.
She does? Okay. And where are you heading to?
I was going home.
Okay. Where do you live?
I live in PG.
Oh, okay. What, PJ National?
Yes.
Okay. All right. How much alcohol have you drank tonight?
I don't have anything to drink.
Nothing at all?
I'm a cancer patient right now.
You're what?
I'm a cancer patient. I'm
Okay.
currently under.
Are you taking medication right now?
No, I'm doing.
Or in treatment?
No, I'm doing treatment. I'm doing radiation therapy.
You're in radiation right now?
Yes.
Okay. What were you drinking
So-
in your cup right there?
In my cup.
Mm-hmm.
My cup. This is my wormwood and blackwood walnut.
Do you mind if I see it?
Well, no, that I understand that's an unreasonable search and seizure.
That's an unreasonable
There's
search and
nothing
seizure?
in my cup. It's empty. There's nothing in there.
I can literally hear something rolling around in there. I just want to see what liquid you have in there. So I can
There's
determine-
no liquid in it. There's nothing in there but ice. I have wormwood and black walnut oil.
Okay.
So.
All right. Do you take any chemical controlled substances, narcotics, anything like that?
No.
That might impair you? No? Do you take any
No,
medication?
I'm not impaired. I was following my navigation. I'm new to Florida.
Okay,
I just came from California.
Okay. Do you take
It
any?
said make a U-turn.
I understand. All right, but you still need to follow the law and road signs and everything.
Of course.
Do you take any medications you shouldn't be taking while operating heavy machinery?
No.
Okay.
No, I haven't done anything wrong. I was following my navigation. It said make a U-turn. I made a U-turn and y'all pulled me over. That was it.
Okay.
That was absolutely it. So
Okay. So why am I smelling the odor of alcohol coming off of you?
You can say that, but you're not.
I'm not? Oh, okay. So you weren't drinking at all?
No, I haven't had anything to drink at all. I'm in radiation therapy.
Do you have a license?
Here's a renewal letter. Okay, here's a renewal letter.
Do you have a Florida license?
I do.
Patricia, can I see your eyes, please? Can you take your glasses off for me?
I haven't had anything to drink. If you would like me to get this for you, I could do it, but I
Okay.
would
Yeah.
definitely not appreciate you flashing the lights in my eyes.
I'm not flashing. I'm trying to look at your eyes.
U-turn doing what my navigation said.
Okay.
That's all I did. So
Do you have your license in there?
Haven't ran. She doesn't have one on her.
I do have a picture of my Florida license.
You don't have your actual license on you, man. That's what I'm saying.
Well,
Can I see? Here, let me see your license, man. The picture that you have.
I have my Florida one. It will come up. I just don't know what it's saved exactly under. So I'm typing in driver's license. And my California. This is my California license. I will find you my Florida one.
I'm standing like 3 feet away. I can still smell it.
California.
Just to be safe, you know.
I'm sorry, what'd you say?
So just be safe. You don't know where she and see.
Yeah. See if you can give me your license first.
Hmm?
See if you can give me the license first.
I already ran it.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I got off the tag.
All right, Patricia, listen. Hey, you can time out with that. Listen, I'm a little concerned that you might be driving while impaired. All right, you're telling me you're not drinking. All right, but what I'm smelling and seeing is a little different. All right, so I'll make sure that's not the case. All right. So I want you to just do a few standardized exercises for me, just to make sure that's not the case. You're not impaired.
That's a violation of my First and Fourth Amendment.
It's not a violation of your First Amendment at all. I'll make you understand the Constitution.
It
Okay,
absolutely is.
so here's what's gonna happen. Time out. All right, because right now you refusing to do the exercises. All right.
You don't have a reasonable articulation that I've committed any kind of crime.
Time out. Oh,
I made a
absolutely, I
U-turn.
do.
Wait
So,
a second.
time
Hold
out.
on. Do you have your camera on?
It's absolutely recording everything that's happening.
Issue 1. DUI Investigation Authority. Under Terry v. Ohio, 392, United States 1968, a reported odor of alcohol meets the reasonable suspicion threshold to expand a traffic stop into a DUI investigation. Issue 2. Field Sobriety Test Refusal. Under Pennsylvania versus Muniz, 496 United States, 582, 1,990, FSTs are non-testimonial. Neither the First nor Fifth Amendment protects a subject from performing them. Florida Statute 316.1932 treats refusal as admissible evidence. The Taylor warnings were delivered correctly and in full. Procedural requirements satisfied. Issue 3. Exit order. Under Pennsylvania v. Mimms, 434 United States, 106, 1,977, a lawful stop authorizes an exit order without a warrant. The subject's Fourth Amendment argument had no legal basis here.
I made a U-turn based on my camera in my car that said make a U-turn.
Okay.
I missed a turn.
All right,
Said
Patricia,
make
time
a
out.
U-turn.
So listen,
Wait,
I'm going to advise you right now what's
Let me
called your
finish.
Taylor warnings. You need to listen because it's 3 parts. Number 1, by you refusing to comply with the exercise that I'm requesting that you do, you're not going to be able to dispel my concern that you're operating a motor vehicle tonight while impaired by an alcoholic beverage and or chemical under controlled substance. Number 2, you're going to force me to make an arrest based on the totality of the circumstances. Do you understand what that means? That means
Yes, I do.
everything
I understand. I was married to a police sergeant,
Okay.
so I understand exactly
Perfect.
all
And number
of my
3,
rights.
your refusal may be used against you in court, all right?
It may be used against me in court, but you guys
All
don't
right,
have
so
a right because I made a
keeping that warning in
U-turn
mind, will you do these
based on
exercises to dispel my
person.
concern?
No, because I know exactly what you
All
guys
right.
do when you pull someone out of your car unless you get a warrant to pull me out of my car by a judge. You can't do it.
I don't need a warrant.
You may not. That's
This one.
violation of. You cannot reach your hand in my car.
Fucking
You
touch
guys
his
can't.
hand.
Why are you
Do
reaching?
not
Time out,
touch his
time
hand.
out,
Why are
time
you
out,
reaching in
time
my
out.
car?
Do not
Okay.
touch his hand.
Why are you reaching in my car? Why are you reaching in my car?
Because you're under arrest right now. Step out of the
For
car.
what? Wait, I'm watching you. You're violating my Fourth Amendment and my First Amendment, right? You're violating my First Amendment, right? Wait,
Step out of the car.
hold on. I'm not resisting. I'm
Step out of the car.
Excuse me.
Step out of the
My
car.
purse. See,
out of the car.
you
Step out of the car.
Hold on, my foot's stuck in the seat. You guys, my foot's stuck in. Oh my God, you're breaking my ankle. Oh my gosh, you guys, my foot. You can see my heel stuck under the seat.
Take your foot out of there.
Take your foot out.
God, you guys.
Take it out.
Your foot out.
Hold on.
Drop your phone.
I
Let
have
go.
the First Amendment right to
Of your
that.
phone.
Now you just broke my First Amendment right.
Take your foot out of there, man.
Foot out.
Guys,
Turn your body.
my heel is stuck in there.
There you go.
Okay,
Step
now.
out. Put your hands on your back.
For what?
You're under arrest.
For what? For what? What are you arresting
Stop
me
turning.
for? Is your camera on?
Yes,
Yep,
it's on,
put
man.
on.
Name and badge number.
Officer Sheriff, 57.
Kamara 511.
What am I being arrested for?
You are resisting an officer.
I haven't resisted anything.
Absolutely did.
No,
It was easy. You didn't have to do all that.
Can you, hold on. You guys, please, could you grab my purse from the ground, please?
Hold on.
You know, officer.
Hand me my phone back, because I have the right to record what is happening. I have my First Amendment right.
We're recording here, right? We're recording everything that's going on. Okay.
Issue 4. Use of force during extraction. Under Graham versus Connor, 490 United States, 386, 1,989, force must be objectively reasonable. Continuing extraction while the subject's foot was lodged under the seat was a calibration concern under this standard. Grades. Officer Pomerantz, B. Lawful investigation, thin communication at extraction. Officer Asher, C+. Authorized arrest, proportionality concern during extraction. Patricia, C+. Right exercised, wrong citations, conviction followed. Outcome. DUI dismissed. No chemical test, no FST results, insufficient evidence. Obstruction guilty. refusing a lawful exit order under Florida Statute 843.02, constitutes obstruction without violence. Key takeaways. Invoking the wrong constitutional right accelerates arrest, not prevention. If sober, FSTs are the fastest path to release. Refusal shifts the burden to court, not back to the officer. A lawful stop requires no warrant for investigation, exit order, or arrest. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like discussed in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to check out Street Bodycam for more police interaction and courtroom content.
Navigation. Please grab my purse.
Yeah, we're gonna pick it up. Hold on.
Thank you. You guys, this is ridiculous.
All you did was comply.
What, comply?
Absolutely.
What? First of all, I have the right to be safe and secure in my
Correct.
persons and my papers.
And everybody else on the road here has a right to be safe and secure
guys,
from impaired drivers.
My Alexa said make a U-turn. I made a U-turn and now you guys arrested me. This is insanity.
I've never seen the
And
car.
the fact that you guys, is your camera on?
Yes, ma'am. That is.
All right, I want to talk to your camera and your camera on.
You
You guys refused to allow me to record this transaction.
No, we didn't.
Yes, you did. You refused. You pulled my phone out of my hand. You did not allow me.
You can't just pull out your phone and say I'm recording once you're under arrest. That's not how
No,
it
I
works.
wasn't. I was in my own vehicle. I was not under arrest.
Jesus, dude.